So, good morning. This is my son, his BMW S1000R, and he's complaining about his brake lever that it's sort of pulsating. So we expect that the discs are warped. Seems to be a problem with this BMW model. So I'm gonna attach my micrometer and see if a disc is warped. What can we do about that problem? So first, I'm gonna take the fender spotboard off. Let's see first. Sure, that was sort of Loctite. Yep. BMW always loves to use medium strength Loctite everywhere. Now, so see, there's Loctite everywhere. Carefully, there is a tiny spacer, plastic. So now I'm going to the other side. By the way, it's Torx and it's T25. Sorry. Take it off. Now, put it over here. This is my micrometer with a magnetic feed. Because this is aluminium, we had to take the fender off. And then I have this piece of iron. Took the original bolt with a ring. And now I'm gonna mount that over here. Yes. Carefully not to scratch anything. Up. See, this is solid enough. Then, so. Now, we have to take the front wheel of the ground. So I'm going to use my winch. Here's my winch. So, protect the tank. Okay. Then, let's see, we have to do a strap, front frame. Be careful with the strap. Underneath is a brake line, and you have to go above the brake line. So, the brake line is here, the frame is there, and then you have to put your strap in between. So, that's done. I have this one. That's why I always get stuff on the tank to protect it. A towel. So, take this one. Lift the front wheel up. See? No. Yes. So, the front front wheel is off the ground. So I got my micrometer to the disc, got it zeroed out, and now we're gonna this is the right side disc. I marked it over there, and then we're gonna gently start to roll it. We are already one round. Watch, 0, and then it's there is the highest point, which is not even a tenth of a mil. What are we going to do now? We start again at the left side disc, and now I'm going to measure the thickness of the disc on, let's say, 4 points. So first, come on over here. I'm going to mark the disc at 4 points. We got one here, and then about there, I think, and then let's say there, en even kijken, this, there he is, let's say about there. So now we have 4 points. What do we need? Here I got my digital micrometer. Up en even kijken, let's, and now I'm gonna sit on that side. We're gonna start, even kijken, this point. First we're gonna put the micrometer over there. It has a ratchet here. Then we put it to reset, so now it's 0. Then we're gonna turn the disc and put it, it's just a hole, so let's see if we can do it over here. It's, ja, even kijken, it's 1/5 thousandths of a mil, so that's good. Then we go over here, we take this place, and again use the ratchet carefully. It's 0.007. Oh, that's also. Then we have the next one. It's over here. That's 0.004 mil. So that's. we're gonna start here. Let's see. First, okay, we're gonna zero it out. Now it's exactly 0. Then we turn it to our second place over here. Oh, exactly 0, which is good. Then another one bites the dust. So exactly 0. Okay, and then the last one. See, this is a bit more off. 5th thousandths, 0.005 of a mil. So my conclusion: the braking pulsation he feels has nothing to do with the disc. Both discs are way in spec. So we're going to put the fender back in place, carefully slide it on. As we know by now, BMW always wants to have Loctite on their bolts, at least for this application over here. Just a tiny bit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. And if you have something to say, please put it in the comments below. And for now, Old Mechanic out.